Hey guys, what's going on? It's Bcraig here with Bcraigtrades, and in this video I'm just going to teach you how to flip small accounts to bigger accounts. This is going to be a couple of the first couple of tips and tricks to use for you, and I'm going to do this in like a little part series because if I do all in one video it's going to be a little bit too long. But before we go any further, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Please like. That helps out the algorithm, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. All right, guys. So this morning, we did see some flow come in into NIO. I was looking at NIO already. So what I like to do before the market opens, my market ritual is I will go ahead and scan the market and to see what's moving in pre-markets up or down. And I did notice that majority of the market was down, but NIO was up. So that's showing strength in a pretty bearish market that we had this morning. So when I did see that, it kind of let me know to kind of watch NIO, see what it's doing. And right here in front of me, I have the NIO chart pulled up, and as you can see, NIO was on the upward trend all day long. And this right here is a daily chart on the 5-minute. And in NIO, I'm gonna show you guys alerts from the premium group. So I alerted NIO calls at 9:33 for $54 a contract. So you know, someone who's working with a $500 account, this could really help you out. You know, you don't have to use majority of your account. You can use a small portion of your account to go ahead and flip it for big bucks. And with this example with NIO, the alert actually ran all the way up until 2:30, so 2.34 cents, I believe, a contract. This is an NIO 48 calls, 11.13. So if we go to the options trade, options chain, and we go to the 48 calls, they're already dollars. They closed at $1.66 right here. So what we want to do is go down here, think of some charts, and this will actually pull up the intrinsic value of the option the whole day. So as you can remember, I told you guys I got in at 54 at just at 9:33, so right about here in this first wick of this candle, and it ran all the way up. So by the time we hit about 2 o'clock, it had a high of $2.56. So potentially you could have flipped $54 all the way to $256, and that's only with one contract. You know, if you had a couple of these contracts, you could have really made a pretty decent profit. Now, as I tell you guys, I am a scalp trader, so sometimes I am kind of quick to get in and out of trades. In this trade, I was all out of NIO at $1. So I rolled it from $54 all the way to 100, which still isn't a bad return. It's a little bit under 50% return on the day, which isn't bad at all. But as you guys know, it ran up to $256. A way that you can kind of offset if you are quick to get out of trades is leave a couple on. So if you do have 10 contracts, just scale out a little bit at a time and keep a couple on. As you can see in the alerts that I sent out, I was getting out of NIO at different levels. So I was in at 54, I got out some at $71, I got out some at 84, I got out some more at 98, and I was out of all of them at $1. So I really could have waited and then you know, I got a better price, but profit is profit. I'm not going to complain about me taking profits too early, but still, you know, making money. That's better than actually holding a losing trade. So that was a pretty big one for us today. That's what I really wanted to show you guys, that you know, you can flip small accounts. Even in someone who had a $500 account, you were able to flip your account. I mean, you really could have flipped it a total $250 today if you played it right. But yeah, so I just want to go over that. Like I said earlier, guys, before the market opens, I'm always scanning the pre-markets, seeing what, you know, has a big jump in volume. Even if the stock price itself is moving up, pre-markets or down, I'm taking note of that and just watching it and seeing how it's going to react with market order flow and sweeps and block trades that come into it. So that was the NIO trade for today. It was a pretty good one. I only gave out 2 alerts today in NIO and Snap. But he said, yeah, I didn't Snap at 70, and I was exit. I got a Snap at $1.07. So just about $37 difference on those. But I do only charge $30 for the premium room. So a lot of times with these trades, your membership is paid for within the first trade in the morning. So that is a good thing. But yeah, guys, so this is a part 1 of the series. I just want to show you guys that's that trade for today. Tomorrow is Lotto Friday. We are getting a lot more. We'll get a lot more cheaper contracts. Also, these are a little more riskier contracts. You want to play same day expiration contracts, but it really is a pretty cool but risky way again of flipping small portfolios. So if you wait towards a little bit after Wednesdays, you get better prices for your contracts, and also you could get bigger movement. Also, if you can find the right stock for it. But that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you tune in for part 2. I'll try to get that to you guys out by next week. Thanks for watching, guys.